In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set up and use AirPrint with the Entrance app to print badges, including how to connect your printer, configure badge settings, and manage both automatic and manual printing. Before we begin, a quick note: AirPrint is only supported by compatible printers and is available exclusively on iOS devices. To see if your printer is compatible, head over to Apple's support page. Let's get started with printing badges. First, go to the badge editor in the Organizers tool, find the badge you want to use, and open its settings. Once you've configured the badge's general settings, make sure you are using the custom format and that the page format is set to A4, with the badge width set to 105 and height set to 148. Set columns and rows to 2, and column spacing and row spacing to 0. If you want to print a badge with both sides displayed on the same A4 page, so it is folded in half, select the same side setting. If you want the badge to be printed on both sides of the paper, select the facing side setting. Two more things to watch out for before printing the badge. First, make sure your printer settings are adjusted to scale the output. If you are printing on A4 paper, set the size to A4 in the printer as well. Then, make sure your printer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone. The exact steps for this can vary depending on the printer, so if needed, please refer to your printer's manual. Once everything's set up, open the Entrance app and go to Settings in the top left corner. Tap on Select or Change Printer, and then tap Add an AirPrint printer. You should see a list of available printers. Just select yours. Mark this printer as the default printer. To make sure everything's connected properly, print out a test page. Now for the check-in. First, select your check-in location. Then, go to Settings and enable Print Badge automatically after checking in. Then, simply scan, inside the Entrance app, the QR code the participant presents to you. After scanning the code, the participant is checked in and the badge is automatically printed. Put the badge on a lanyard and give it to the participant for their day. You can also print the badges in advance, independently of the check-in process. To do this, click on Prepare PDF on the Badges page and then on Download to export a PDF file containing the badges for all participants. This method provides a simple and efficient way to prepare badges ahead of time. If you're curious about printing labels on pre-prepared badges you ordered from a third-party vendor, check out our video linked in the description box. That's it. Now you're ready for smooth check-ins and badge printing with AirPrint and the Entrance app.